This is not a sad video, even when it looks like it right now, but this happens when you leave your pond abandoned for some months. In my case, I had so much stuff to do, among other things of making YouTube videos, that I decided to drain the waterfall until I have some more time to enjoy it again. Also, I want to show you how quickly Mother Nature takes over when you leave it untouched for nearly 6 months. But now the time has come to reactivate my waterfall that I built it in 2013. I need to get rid of all the leaves and dirt that starts to eat up the structure. This stuff stinks miserable. A pond in that size does not require that much attention, but you should calculate with the 1 or other hour every 2 weeks to get rid of all the leaves, check on the water quality and level, and if you're gone for a while, just drain the water and take out the pump. Notice that I'm not cutting away everything here, as it is part of the display. I planted some golden pothos on purpose that's supposed to cover the waterfall over the years, but by now I need to cut them back, at least cut back some vines as they start growing under the pond liner. All in all, it is still in pretty good shape. The LSS liquid sculpturing stone I made by using glass fibers and cement seems to hold up pretty well over time. The pigments have suffered a little and the colors have faded over the years, but that's quite normal due to sunlight exposure. I will probably repaint it in the near future and make another update video. I use a shop vac, as it is a pity to get out all the mud and leaves by hand. I am still thinking how to find an easier way of doing that. If you have a better idea, please let me know in the comments. I found a pretty substantial hole in the pond liner that I need to cover up by using a repair set I got me from my home improvement store. I first need to get rid of all the dirt around the hole and clean it up a bit. It seems that somebody has fixed this already. I can't remember doing that, but this explains this beige residue that won't come off. I will leave it for now and put a bigger piece of pond repair foil on it. Nowadays, most of the pumps are service-free, what came out to be pretty bad for me, because the one you see here just burned out a couple of days after I filmed this video. Even that in my case it was the capacitor that burned out. You should check every now and then if the suction basket is free of leaves, and when you take out the pump, rinse it off with some fresh water. As the waterbed is cleaned up, the pump is hooked up again, it's time to fill the waterfall back up with water. And now the moment of truth. I am so happy to see my waterfall come back to life again, and this without any major problems. Well, if you like that video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Any suggestion can be helpful, and I try my best to answer on your questions in the comments. This was it for now. Please subscribe and ring the bell. Until then, see ya!